Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about an important thing that sometimes you feel stuck and you can't come up with ideas to create your beautiful designs. Thus, in this video, I'd like to share with you 8 different sources that give you fantastic ideas that enable you to create your awesome designs to amaze your audience and to get sales in God willing. So let's get started with the source number 1, which is Pinterest. And of course, Pinterest is a cool place where you can find a lot of ideas to get inspired with. And on Pinterest, I don't mean you have to copy the design exactly or steal someone's effort or designer's artwork, because it's a violation of rules and copyright infringement. But you can take Pinterest as a source of your inspiration and a way to level up your skills to make better designs. Okay, so on Pinterest you can search for any design related to a specific topic, specific niche, specific field, and so on and so forth. For example, we can search for swimming designs. Okay, perfect. Then you can get inspired with these designs and make your own design, adding your touch based on your creativity, your imagination, your passion. Okay, but don't copy the design exactly. Okay, as you see here. So the first source for your inspiration to make your awesome designs is Pinterest. Okay, and the second way is quotes and sayings. Of course, people love sayings and quotes, which refers to something like motivation, for hope, for success, and so on and so forth, or related to a specific event, occasion, holiday like Christmas, graduation party, wedding, and so on. And people love always these quotes printed over their apparel and outfits, like stickers, t-shirts, leggings, and so on. Okay, so you have to make text-based designs. And how to get these quotes or these sayings or these famous and common sayings? Simply just go to Google. Okay, and here you can type your field or your niche or your topic, and you follow it by saying and quote word. For example, we can search for swimming, okay, plus saying or quote, okay, like funny quotes or something like that, quotes. Okay, and here you will find hundreds and thousands swimming quotes. Just you can use your text-based designs. Okay, as you see here, just we can take this one for brainy quotes or 77 motivational swimming quotes. Okay, and here you will find tens and hundreds quotes that are related to swimming and for swimmers. Okay, so that give you ideas to make your text-based designs. Okay, for example, called Operlo, and here you can generate slogans or taglines or quotes that are related to a specific topic or niche or field. Okay, in this box you can add your keyword, okay, that is related to your topic or niche, like swimming. Okay, just to generate slogans or taglines or quotes and sayings. Okay, as you see here, nobody doesn't like swimming because I am worth swimming, better living through swimming. What can swimming do for you? Think different, think swimming. This beautiful one to create your design. Okay, the best swimming a man can get, swimming the choice cut, swimming of confidence, swimming, you will love it, the power of swimming, you better get inside swimming, the appetizer, and so on and so forth. Okay, and a lot of pages. Okay, so the second source to give you some ideas to create your designs is quotes and sayings. Okay, and the third way is celebrity class. If you are a binge watch or love watching movies and TV shows, even talk shows, so most likely a celebrity t-shirt has caught your attention and you like it. So if you like a design on t-shirts and it's well worth your effort and your trial, so do it and create this design. Okay, and by the way, I couldn't forget the cool unicorn t-shirt of Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, in the Central Intelligence movie. And honestly speaking, this design and this t-shirt has been sold thousands of times on all print-on-demand platforms. And to cope with the all latest outfits of celebrities, I will share with you an amazing website which is called wornontv.net. And here in this website you can know the latest outfits of celebrities and the latest appearance on TV, like movie, TV show, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see here. Okay, so you can get inspired with these designs on t-shirt, skirt, leggings, and so on. Okay, as you see. Okay, awesome. And the fourth way to get ideas to create your awesome designs is trends. And for sure, trends are the easiest way to create new designs. And to know how to get trends to make new Redbubble designs, there are two options. The first option is from Redbubble itself. So you can go the homepage on Redbubble, okay, and here on search bar, just click on that, and you'll find the most recent trending keywords or the most recent trending designs, okay, like Habibi, our flag means death, and so on and so forth. Or you can go more specific and type here any sub niche or any keyword, and you will find out if there are some trends or something like that. For example, we can type here dog, okay, and you see here you will find some trendings that are related to this keyword, like dog, or sub niche like dog type, husky, Bernese mountain dog, and so on and so forth. Okay, like African wolf dog. I am not a vet, but I know what dog is. Okay, okay. And here you can use this trending keyword to make your design. And here is the first option for getting trends. The second option is by using this awesome website which is called topbubbleindex.com. topbubbleindex.com, and I have discussed this website in details. You will find this video below in the first comment. Okay, regarding getting trends, so you can go to this one, Redbubble tools, and to Redbubble trending keywords. Okay, click over that. As here, the most recent trends, this one, Habibi, our flag means this, and so on. Or you can type here any keyword or any sub niche, okay, as you see here, with its search results, okay, and the search volume, and so on and so forth. And of course you can check this trademark, or you can get the keywords and tags of this trends. Okay, okay, the cat lightning, Cody roads, and so on and so forth. And of course you can also rely on the Google Trends to know what trending is at that moment. And depending on these trends, just you can make your designs. And the source number 5 to get new ideas and to create new designs and to be away from the high competition and high crowd niches and sub niches. So you have to keep your eyes on the upcoming events and upcoming occasions. And to know what the upcoming events and occasions are, I have discussed before that point in a previous video. So you will find this video below in the first comment. For example, kindly visit this website which is called daysoftheyear.com, and here you can find all upcoming events, all upcoming special days, okay, like this one, golfers day, okay, you'll find this calendar, okay, and in this month, April, International Safety Bin Day, National Sapling Day, Chaotic Earth Month, Stress Awareness Month, National Bid Day, National Cheese Fondue Day, World Parkinson's Day, National Submarine Day, and so on and so forth. And therefore, you can make a bigger space to create new designs without any high competition, without any crowding, okay? And the source number 6, it's super interesting because if you want to make your design more unique and to go viral, so you have to try resonance and rhymes. And it's as if you're writing a part of poetry and writing musical sentences that impress your audience. And as for rhymes, you have to find some words have the same rhymes, have the same sound, like pain, gain, rain, honey, money, and so on and so forth, okay? And as for resonance, it is more difficult and more creative. Just you can combine two different ideas or two different niches in the same word. And it's done by removing some letters of a certain word and replace them with some letters of another niche of another idea and have the same sound. For example, Halloween and Halloween. Just remove the letters and the suffix of Halloween, ween, and replace it by wine. So you can make two niches cross niche design, Halloween and wine in the same word, like awesome and possum. Okay, that refers to paws and for dog and pets. Okay, for example, like quarantine and quarantine, just you can remove TINE and replace it by teen. Okay, teenagers, and so on and so forth. And to know how to find these syllables and how to find these rhythmic words and these resonant words, just you can visit this awesome website which is called rhymezone.com, and here you can type here any word like honey or bean, for example. Okay, to find rhymes, just search and you'll find some syllable like cane, fan, pen, okay, and something like that, grain, okay, Jane, and so on and so forth. Okay, and the source number 7, it is one of the best inspirational gold mines for designers, which is inspirationgrid.com. Inspirationgrid.com, and here you can find daily design inspiration for creative, for a lot of categories like design, art, photography, illustration, editorial, and much more. So just we can check it out, this one like illustration. Okay, and here you can get inspired with a lot of illustrations. Okay, as you see here, newly updated illustrations and designs. Okay, perfect, and a lot of pages. Okay, and so on and so forth for a lot of categories like art, design, and photography, and so on and so forth. Okay, like this one. Okay, just to get inspired, not copy the same design. Okay, just I repeat that, don't copy paste, don't copy paste. Okay, as here, just you can get inspired with this design. Okay, the same in this one, and so on and so forth. And the last source and the last way to get inspiration to make new designs, it's by keeping yourself on the track of the best selling designs, and it's done by visiting Redbubble. Okay, on the homepage, and just you can search for any topic, any word, and therefore you can find a lot of the most searched designs and the most demanded designs. So go to this one, this filter, most relevant, and just select the best selling designs, the most clicked ones, and so on and so forth. Okay, regarding this keyword yoga lover, and here you can get inspired from these designs. Okay, and open your mind to create new designs depending on your creativity and your passion and your imagination, as you see. Okay, and now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.